Hi everyone, I'm Anna. Welcome back to Anna's Simple English Life. In today's video, I will share my evening routine after dinner. It's a very calm and peaceful time for me. You can learn easy, natural English while relaxing with me. Before we start, please like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to support my channel. Your support means a lot to me. Let's begin. After dinner, I usually start by cleaning the kitchen. I don't rush. I like to clean slowly and calmly. It helps me wind down after a long day. First, I put the leftover food into containers. I store them in the fridge for another day. Then I wipe the table and the kitchen counter until they are shiny and clean. I wash the dishes gently in warm, soapy water. I don't like a messy kitchen at night. When I wake up in the morning, a clean kitchen makes me feel happy and ready for the new day. A clean kitchen makes me feel peaceful. It's a small act of care for my home and for myself. Let's learn some useful English from this part. You can say, I clean the kitchen. I wipe the table. I put away the leftover food. A clean space helps me feel peaceful. After cleaning, I make myself a warm drink. This is one of my favorite parts of the evening. Sometimes I drink herbal tea, like chamomile or mint. The warm steam feels so nice. Sometimes I just drink warm water with a slice of lemon. I take my drink and sit down in my favorite chair. I sit down and take a deep breath, in and out. This is my quiet time. It's a moment just for me. I don't use my phone too much during this time. The bright screen can be too stimulating. Instead, I like to relax my mind and body. I listen to the quiet sounds of my home or some soft music. It's a simple pleasure. Here is some useful English for you. I relax in the evening. This is my quiet time. I make a warm drink. It is good to take a deep breath. Next, I go to the bathroom to get ready for the night. I wash my face with cool water and a gentle cleanser. It feels refreshing. Then, I brush my teeth. Taking care of my teeth is very important. I also do a simple skincare routine. I don't use many products, just a few that I love. I use a hydrating cleanser and then a rich moisturizer. I gently pat the cream onto my skin. I like to take care of myself before bed. These small rituals feel like a gift to my body. It helps me sleep better and feel good when I wake up. Let's review the English words. I brush my teeth. I wash my face. I have a simple skincare routine. I like to take care of myself. After that, I change into comfortable clothes. I love my soft and cozy pajamas. They make me feel ready for rest. Putting on my pajamas signals to my body that it's time to sleep soon. Once I'm comfortable, I choose a calm activity. Sometimes I read a book. I love getting lost in a good story. Reading helps my mind to settle down. Sometimes I write my thoughts in a notebook. It helps me to process my day and clear my head. I don't like loud activities at night, like watching exciting movies or playing games. I prefer calm and gentle moments before I go to sleep. These quiet activities help me prepare for a night of deep and restful sleep. Here is some useful English. I wear comfortable clothes. My pajamas are very soft. I like to read a book. Sometimes I write in a notebook. And that's my simple evening routine after dinner. It is how I find peace and calm at the end of the day. Now, let's practice 3 easy sentences together. Please repeat after me. I clean the kitchen after dinner. I like quiet time in the evening. I get ready for bed slowly. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. It helps my channel grow, and I love reading your comments. Thank you for spending your evening with me. I hope you feel relaxed. See you in the next video. Good night.